Welcome to the laundry room at our Jubilee project. This might be one of my favorite rooms. From the wallpaper to the floor to the backsplash wall tile, I absolutely love everything about this room. The wallpaper in here, so once everything's up.
Spend the majority of my time.
Exactly.
I would be so happy to do laundry.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And what do the boys think of the bathroom?
They're so excited.
Do they like it?
They love it.
Oh, good. Oh, I love it. It's so nice. I wanted to have fun with the floor here, and I didn't want to splurge on this floor in the laundry room. So I chose a simple gray and cream tile, and we chose to lay it in a checkerboard pattern. This elevates the space and makes this inexpensive tile look very expensive. For the walls, we went with this, I guess you could say, kind of crazy wallpaper. It's animal print with foil and cream. It matches perfectly with the floor tile. Well, what I love about it is that it's unexpected for a laundry room. The laundry room is located in an area where the homeowners need to walk by it every day. It's on the upper floor and it's in between bedrooms. And I wanted it to be a space that someone would actually want to come into. The laundry room is not that large, but we wanted to maximize the space with the counter. We have a sink with a small counter that will allow for folding clothes, and I decided that it was best to stack the washer and dryer in order to allow for more counter space. Adding a brass hanging rod adds a little bit of that unexpected element like we did with the wallpaper. It also ties in with the brass tones that we have in the faucet as well as the hardware. We finished off the window with a Roman done in this cotton gray and cream striped fabric. It ties in with the floor as well as the wallpaper, but most importantly is that it adds warmth to a space that has a lot of cool elements like the floor tile and the counter. There's a lot of hard elements happening in this space, and that fabric just adds a bit of softness to the space. I love everything about this laundry room, and it's hard for me to select just one design element that is my favorite. But if I had to, I'd probably select the lights that we chose. These lights are not something you would typically see in a laundry room. They've got this great shape to them, which adds a feminine touch to this utilitarian room. They have a white shade accented with brass, and that just ties everything in together. They add so much warmth to the space. Being that it's a small laundry room, we wanted to make sure we utilized every inch, and we added this hamper that will allow the client to keep dirty clothes out of sight. I really wanted to create a space that my client would love. Honestly, who loves doing laundry? And why not create a space that you would enjoy coming into? And in fact, every time my client and I are in this space, we can't help but smile. And to me, that is the biggest and greatest achievement.